Hello everyone. So if you're used to watching my videos, you must have known that most of the work from home jobs I share on my channel are usually transcription jobs. And most people don't really realize that the best way to make money online is not by working hard, it's actually by working smart. And if you're like me that don't really like typing and you love to do transcription jobs, or you think typing is time consuming, or you don't even have the skill, I'm going to share with you the way you can actually be smart with your transcription to be able to make money faster and more money, because you can sign up to different platforms to make money with this strategy I'm about to share with you. And now for those that don't really know what transcription is, it's just you turning audios and videos to text, like things you heard from audios and videos, you convert them to text. Now, for you to do this successfully, you have to have a laptop, an internet source, and you're going to do this completely for free. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. So if you're starting up transcription job as a beginner, this might be helpful, because what I'm about to share with you is going to give you almost 100% accuracy. That is if you listen carefully, or if the words said are made clear. So but if it is not, you know that you have to add your own touches to it to make everything accurate. Now, if you don't know where to find transcription job, you might check out this video showing on your screen. I have shared varieties of places you can work as an independent contractor to be able to make money by transcribing things. Now, on these platforms that are shared on these videos, you can see ones that will pay you up to like $45 per hour to do transcription, or per video hour, depending on what you're given to do. And you can do varieties of transcription even with this method I'm going to share with you, whether it is medical transcription, legal transcription, or any form of transcription at all. You can actually get it done using this method. So to begin, you're going to go to YouTube, and then you click here where you see plus sign to upload your video or audio. Then you click upload video. Once that is done, you click here to select the file you want to transcribe, whether audio or video. So to do that, you're going to select your file. So once that is selected, you allow it to upload. Now, you don't need to bother yourself about filling out these necessary things that are expected of you to fill once you are on YouTube, when you are uploading your video. So you can just allow it to upload. Now, there are two ways you can do this. You can do this here, or you can use another website where you can extract the scripts of the things that were being said in the video. So now that it has finished uploading, you're going to put it as private video. Like, you click here where it says private, because you don't need to upload this. So once you have made it private, then you can save. Now, here is something you have to know. You have to make sure that you select the language on this video, because if you click here, it will tell you select the video language before adding subtitle. So you're going to go to this place and select your language. Click here where it says show more. See the title language, select. Then you can look for your language, and then you save it. Now, to save yourself this stress, you can actually do this while uploading. So once you have saved it, this is how you're going to do it. And then after some days, let's say like the following day or after 2 days, you can come back to YouTube and you're going to see your scripts there already waiting for you. So let me show you an example of what I mean. Once you come to this video I've already uploaded before, you're going to see that it has already had its subtitles and everything. Now, once you click here, you're going to see everything I said. So to get this, everything I said, the copy of it, you click here where it says download subtitles. Then you're going to have it in your computer. Then alternatively, another thing you can do to get this script is you go here, you copy this link. Once you have copied the link, you go to this website called YouTube Script. Now what you're going to do is you add the link you copied here, and then you click go. You see everything is here, and everything I said is here. The video is playing, you're going to be listening and seeing if everything is tallying, and if it's not tallying, you can edit it here. And after you're done, you copy it and paste it on your Google Doc and do the necessary packaging you need to do before sending it to your client. Now, with this method, you can transcribe anything in any language as long as it is on YouTube, because as you can see, from YouTube, you can choose the language you want, like the language that is said on the video, and then you can do any type of transcription, whether medical transcription, legal transcription, or anything at all you want to do. Just within some minutes, and then you wait for results after 2 days, then you can deliver it to your clients. So these are ways you can actually make money. You can sign up to Fiverr, Upwork as an independent contractor, or you can sign up to those websites that I shared on the videos I asked you to go and check out, so you can know where to get started. It's not about then if you sign up to different ones, you can see and you are qualified to sign up for. So if this video was helpful, please don't fail to like, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any video I upload here. And I really appreciate you all for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.